Hello everyone, welcome to NS Coding. Today we will learn how to install Sublime Text. So let's get started. Before starting, we will get to know something about Sublime Text. So what is Sublime Text? Sublime Text provides build systems to allow users to run external programs. Build systems are specified via JSON and saved in a file with the extension .sublime-build. Examples of common uses for build systems include compiling, transpiling, linting, and executing tests. Now, here are some prerequisites for installing Sublime Text. Memory, 2 GB. CPU, Intel Core 2 Duo or above. File size, 150 MB of free space. OS, Windows 7 or above, macOS and Linux. First of all, open Google Chrome and type Sublime Text Download in the search bar. Open the first link in the results. The official Sublime Text website has opened. Here you can download Sublime Text for macOS, Windows 64-bit or Linux. Mine is 64-bit, so I will click on Windows 64-bit. After a while the download has completed and now click on that. It will ask you for administrative privileges, click on Yes. Here you have to select the destination folder. Leave this as it is or select a custom location according to your convenience by clicking on the Browse button. After selecting the location, click on Next. Here, we have to select additional installation options. Leave this as default and then click on Next. Now our Sublime Text is ready to install. Here is the summary, click on Install. As you can see, our installation is completed. Now click on Finish. Now we will open Sublime Text. Here you can write programs of any languages. So that is it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions or ideas let me know that in the comments. See you in another video. Till then, bye bye, see you, take care and thanks for watching the video.